All right, hey everybody, take a look at some of this really cool stuff we saw at the SEMA show.
Hey guys, this is Wayne at TR Tools and the Tite-Reach brand. We're at SEMA 2019 and something neat that's going on that's had a good reception. Our 1/4" Pro here is something that we've had for a long time where you can put your socket over on this end. Just comes with a little adapter so you can drop that on there, and it's a 1-to-1 gear ratio. We wanted to do something new that gave you more uses for it. So what we've done is come up with a little chuck adapter. This is a normal chuck adapter, other than it's got a male fitting that drops right into our 1/4" tool. What does that do for you? That actually allows you to put in a drill bit like this, or any one of hundreds of fasteners that are a 1/4" bit. So you can drop it in there, drop it, and turn from 10 inches away. It gives you access to places where maybe you can't get your drill in, things of that nature. So find the right fitting and the right adapter, and you can use this for hundreds of different uses. We also have our own hex, standard, and metric drill bit sets. So if you want to buy those as a set, that's possible also. Had a good reception here at SEMA. We're excited about it. Hope you are too.
All right, so here we are at the SEMA show, and as you can see, there's been a lot of fun, a lot of great stuff. It's a lot of work, but we come out here every year to share some of the new stuff with you guys. So hope you dig it. Be sure to subscribe to Blacktop TV on YouTube. Talk to you soon.
Did you know we have Blacktop trading cards? That's right. You can get your car on a cool trading card and share it with your friends at car shows and that sort of thing. Blacktop trading cards. Check it out at blacktopmagazine.com/cards. All right. See you at the shows.
Hi, I'm Pinky Swear and you're watching Blacktop TV.